Hey guys, it's Sparky Pear here again, and as you can tell, we are coming up to that part of the year again, which is Bonfire Night. And like I usually do, and others on YouTube, we go through our stashes for what we're going to be letting off. So yeah, one thing about this year as well, I have brought new brands of fireworks that I've never bought before. For example, that one, riakeo, and another one is funke. So them are just two of the brands that I've never brought before. There's a lot more coming, obviously. This is just part one of this year's stash. So yeah, there will be a lot more coming because we are planning to like have a bigger stash this year. So yeah, let's have a quick look through them. So this is Bomb and Rakuten, like I says, from Funke. £318, and these are all quality pieces by quality brands, because Funke, Riakeo and that are quality brands. So next we have the Hallmark Sky Hunters. That has 325 grams, so there's a little more in those. Start with the rockets, and we got the little bomber Rakutens there, like we says, and we've also got the super bomber Rakutens, obviously funky as well. So, and them are a lot bigger as well. And there's a heck of a lot more grams in there, 600 grams, and that is a lot for rockets. So I saw the videos to them as well, and they are really impressive, so I'm really looking forward to them. So, and the last pack for this part one of the stash is these Uberstürmers, which is also funky, or funk, you ever say it. And how much grams in this one? 416, so there's quite a lot in them as well. But there is 13 rockets in this pack, some smaller ones and some larger ones, so there 13 rockets altogether in there. So yeah, so for this part one, we have got these 4 rocket packs, so that's going to be pretty decent. Next we come to these Roman candles. I'm not sure if it thingies on there. They're 150 grams on them, each of them. So we got 2 of these, and they are 30mm. So I think they're 8 shots. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure they are 8 shots. So they are like exclusive. That's another brand, by the way, I've never had, Klasek. It's another quality brand. Like it says there, exclusive series. And these are from Klasek as well. Limited edition. F2 shot tubes. So that's on limited edition. I'm glad we got 2 packs of these this year, so look forward to those as well. Some of these you see on here we are using for Halloween as well. Like we're going to use 1 pack of these for Halloween. We're going to use those air patrols and obviously that fountain as well, but I'll come to that in a minute. But yeah, these we'll be using for Halloween. The standard fireworks air patrol. You can get these in like supermarkets, so it's only some little that we're doing for our Halloween. We're using all the bigger stuff, like all that stuff for Bonfire Night. So yeah, we're just using smaller stuff for Halloween. That's it. How many grams in these, by the way? I love the packaging with these, or the multicoloured. There's 96 grams in them. So yeah, that would be good. Right, this is going to be for Halloween as well. Obviously, the Dragonfire. 67 grams in there, just a little fun thing for Halloween. So yep, I'm not sure if we're using this for Halloween or Bonfire Night yet, but that's another fountain, low noise fountain, Gala by standard again. 90 grams in that one. Yeah, we're not sure if that's a Bonfire one or Halloween yet, but we'll soon see. Next, we come to these, get all the little stuff out of the way. Basically the same as Wizard ones from Bright Star, but these are the standard Spellcaster ones. 2 packs of them. Right, next we come to these, which are these little Celtic blinker strobes. Blinker or strobes. It says blinker on there, so. No, 20 grams in there, they last about a minute. There, we got two whites and 2 reds. Using a red and white for Halloween and a red and a white for Bonfire Night as well. Next we come to these, funky again, quality brands this year, like I said. The Scream Shots, you get 10 pieces in there. And I've heard people talk about these, so they look pretty decent. 93 grams in that one. So looking forward to those as well. Next we come to this. This was called, when I bought this, it was called Mushroom. But now it's called Exploding Fungi. Or Explode Fungi. Decent amount of neck in there, 208 grams. So yeah, we bought one from Bonfire Night and I'm keeping one for New Year as well. So 2 of them. And also the same, 2 of these Golden Glories as well. One from Bonfire Night, one for New Year. Celtic, and it's, as you can see, it's a fanned effect cake. There's all the stats. $126 grams in there. Not too bad. So yeah, we've got 1 and 2. Next we come to this best price. I can't see how much. Oh, there we go. 175 grams of neck in there. So that should be decent because that's quite weighty as well. So and that's by Klasek as well. So it's going to be a decent piece. Next we come to this Celtic 6-pack. I'll probably do a separate video on unboxing that. So I won't do it in this video, I'll do a separate one. But that's the Celtic 6-pack. That's one of the best selling packs and where we've got this first part stashed from, which is the Firework shop in Preston. So I want to give a shout out to Wayne for that one, for all this. a big shout out to Wayne, because it's the first time I've brought from that shop. And we got some good quality fireworks from there, so yeah. That's Celtic 6-pack. Like I said though, I'll probably do a separate video of unboxing that to see what's in there, so keep a lookout for that one as well. Next we come to this Mother of Dragons, that's by Celtic as well. Coming to the bigger stuff. 317.5 grams of neck in there. Decent sized tubes as well. And obviously this one's gonna be really good with the 30mm tubes in there. And a decent 380 grams in there. And that's obviously, like I showed you earlier, by Riakeo, another quality brand. So yeah, that's basically everything for part 1. And like I says, we've already got a lot more coming, because this was from, like I says, from the firework shop, Wayne's sale weekend, and we bought a lot more from Galactic sale weekend as well, so we're just waiting for them to arrive. And as soon as they do, I'll be posting part 2 of the stash, and we've got a lot more from Galactic, so that's going to be a decent one as well. So yeah, this is part 1, and I hope you've enjoyed. And it's exciting coming up to that time of year again. So yeah, subscribe to make sure you don't miss any videos coming up. The stashes, the products, and the unboxing videos. So yeah, subscribe, give us a like, and see you next time, guys.